Okay, now we have to reverse the process. What we're doing here, we're putting this piece back in there, inside, after we submerge it inside the CLR and water, and we rinsed it with the high pressure hot water. Then, but we still have to run it through a couple of times, or 2 or 3 times, or maybe they say 8 times water, to make sure the CLR is out of it. So what we're doing, we got to push this here the same way, use a screwdriver like we did to pull it out, and then try to get this inside of there. Now it's inside, this part locked in. Now we have to get the top part. So we get the top part here on this corner, and this have to snap right in, which is easy, snaps right in. So this part is assembled, and then we have to put the rest of the stuff together now. Okay. This is the part that we were worried about, and the calcium and mineral buildup is all cleaned out. You can see from both tubes, and from our center tube that we had in here, we had it all cleared out as well, which is this tube right here. We had it all cleared out because the way we did it on this tube, which you can see, there's a plastic tube somewhere, if you can see it. See the plastic tube right here, right here, right here? That's a plastic tube. It's a white plastic tube. I removed this part. I ran the water from the bottom, and the CLR water from the bottom up to the top here, and then run a hot with a CLR and water mixture, and then run high pressure hot water through it. So this area is clean, ready to go. And now we have to put this part together, which is a major one. Okay, so we're gonna do here, we have to connect the wires. The top wire was black, then red, then okay, the white one we have to connect. The black one is not connected. The white one goes on the bottom, which is, there are 3 wires right there, as you can see. 3 wires that go to 3 plugs right down there. And I already shrink tube it, so make sure when it gets wet they don't contact. I did a shrink tubing on this. I added to what factory had. I thought it wasn't good enough, and I shrink tube this one as well. So now we have to grab it with a plier, and we have to put it together. You need sort of small nose plier like this to be able to work with these wires. So we connect this one, okay. So after we connect this one, this needs to be down a little bit so it could grab better, and this needs to be down so it could grab better. Okay, let's see. I was gonna grab the water right now, the wire. See what we can do here. This is a rough spot, so if we can get it done. Okay, the bottom one is in. Now we need to connect the top one, which is the black wire. The white one, we were able to connect it. It's in. It seems like it's connected snugly, so we don't need to worry about that coming off because I felt it click. Okay, now the top one is a little loose. This part here, use a needle nose plier to get it a little lower than that. Alright, let's see if that's gonna work better for us. There we go. By the way, this is Black & Decker coffee maker. Pretty low price, but that's the job. Let me see if there's a model number here. CM1132UL. That's the model number for the CM1132UL. That's a model number. So we got this one in here. Okay, as you can see, there. Okay, this. Wire came out. Again, black is over there. Red is fine. Okay, let's remove the red one and this one, and let's put this in the right order. So we got this coming here, and we need to snap this in its place. Let's get this in here. Okay, so I go supposedly, and then doesn't want the wire to touch the hot part. That's the way it's made. Let's reinforce this one more time for the red one, because it seems to be with the needle nose plier, which I squeeze it a little more so it gets better contact. It is supposed to go this way. Okay, let's do this here.